So here is my terrarium. I made this using a plastic jar with a lid and started by putting about a 1/4 cup soil on the bottom. Then placed sand on top of the soil and some small rocks on top of the sand, which will help drain water down to the bottom. I then added a thin layer of activated charcoal over the rocks that will act as a filtration substrate and help keep the water cleaner. Next, I placed another layer of potting soil and then put 2 types of seeds. And the seeds I used are wheatgrass and sunflower seeds. I then put a thin layer of potting soil over the seeds and finally misted the soil in the sides of the jar with just a little bit of water, and then closed and sealed the container. For a 5E lesson plan, I would use explain for the students to be able to use scientific terms, explaining how an ecosystem works specifically inside of the terrarium. I had no challenges and think this is a really good way for students to learn life science and how an ecosystem works.